Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a common problem that many people face. The issue here revolves around, which can be quite frustrating to deal with. So, if you've ever encountered this problem before, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem at hand. The key to overcoming this lies in, by following this solution, you'll be able to successfully and say goodbye to those pesky issues for good. It's a simple yet effective fix that can make a world of difference. In addition to the previously mentioned solution, another helpful tip is this additional step can further enhance the effectiveness of a solution and prevent similar problems from cropping up in the future. Remember, taking proactive measures can save you a lot of time and frustration down the road. In summary, we've discussed the common problem of and explored the straightforward solution of. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to resolving the issue and moving forward hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.